Hey, good afternoon, guys. It's another S Group daily review video. It's video number 107, it looks like. Just kind of keeping track of my videos. Yeah, 107. We got our earnings last night. Yesterday was Friday. Today is, I'm getting some messages from our Telegram chat group. Today is Saturday, so we got our earnings last night, our bot report early in the morning. 0.4%, guys, was the trade yesterday. So I made $73.67 on the money I've invested. Just going to click all is red. If I go to my investments section here, which shows my summary so far for the month, which is 21 days in, so I still have another like 9 days left of earnings, about 5 days, and then a day, I think, is when so another basically 5-6 days on top of this, I will be earning money. But so far I've made $1,028.11 on the money I've invested. And just think, guys, in 21 days, just for having my money invested in the system, it's pretty sweet. Of course, as you see at the top right here, I have $115.32 commission. That goes up like just randomly based on the people underneath me, their investments expiring, and then the funds that they've made auto reinvest back in the system. So yeah, I just also in this video, guys, I wanted to show you the calculator. Like when you become a member, there's this calculator. Well, it's now S Group calculator because they changed the name. It used to be Sincere Systems Group, but with this, you basically just plug in your amount that either you're at or that you want to start up with, and the growth is usually about around 10% per month. Of course, you get whatever percentage of that 10%, depending on what tier you come in as. So if you come in within either between $100 and $499, you get 50%. So you make 5% on the money you have invested for that month, and so on and so forth. So I mean, for example, guys, like if you just came in, say with, let's just say $250, okay, you plug this into the calculator here. It automatically calculates the figures. So if you look here, guys, I kind of zoom in so you can see it if I can. Oh, I guess I can't. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so if you come in with $250, earning at 10% per month, you're going to be making about $12 per month, and then it'll go up to $13.72. But for example, if you came in with, let's say, $1,500, which is the third tier. So if you came in with $1,500, guys, you would automatically start earning $97, $103, $109 per month on the money you have invested. So, of course, I'm at 20. Let's just say 24,000, because that's pretty much what I'm at now. Or I'm about 24 and a half, but let's just say 24,000. So I'm making, guys, about $1,800 to $2,000. Well, starting at $1,800 a month. That's how much I'm making. So you got to think about that, guys. I'm making about like around $500, just under $500 a week in S Group, just for having my money invested in the system. So when you do join, you do get this calculator. We will send this to you, and yeah, I mean, it's just the Forex market, guys. This bot that they have implemented, it does the Forex trading for you automatically. So it's almost like the banks, guys. Like when you put money into the bank, they put the money that you put in the bank on these markets, and they make money on them. So it's basically mimicking the same thing that the banks are doing. However, you're getting a bigger return on your investment. The banks is like what they give you, like maybe below 1% if you invest your money in the banks per year. So this, you're making anywhere from 5% all the way up to 8.5%, depending on what tier you're in, per month, and then the company gets the rest, the remainder of that 10%, as you see here. So yeah, you can come in with anything, guys. The S Pharmaceutical, SIPO, Liquidity Mining, those are the other three areas. You just kind of invest your money and let the system work for you. It's definitely a great way to make some passive incomes, guys. So you got to think about this long term, guys. What I'm doing is I'm putting $800 every 2 weeks. Sorry, $800 a month back into the system. So basically, 10 months from now, this is going to go up $8 grand, and I'm going to be trading on, say, 31,000, 32,000, somewhere around there. So I'm going to be making even more money. Just keep stockpiling. But all right, guys. So I just want to make this quick daily 5-minute review video to show you guys my earnings today, or yesterday, I should say. 0.4%. I made 73.67 on the money I invested. Once this gets to 30 days, which will be in about a week and a couple days, you're going to see me do a video of all this money will be, all this earnings would be up here. I'm going to take $800, throw it back in, and then I'm going to withdraw the rest into S Wallet. So yeah, so guys, don't forget to click on the sign up link down below if you want to sign up with S Group. You want to join the system. You do have to be referred in through somebody, so it would be nice if you can sign up underneath me. I will let you know about how everything works. My email address is in the description down below as well. And also don't forget to click on the sign up button down below, or the subscribe button I should say, just below the bottom of this video. That way you can subscribe to my channel and be notified of all the new updates and everything. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next video and hope you have a great rest of the day. Take care.